Yes, my wonderful people, now we're going to put our fish, continuation of our cooking. A dry fish. Inside the water leaf. As water leaf no plenty, no, I don't use. I'm going to use I use spinach and water leaf. Yes, sir. I'm going to cover the pot. Here we use only Maggi, salt, and pepper. The eru with crayfish and dry fish. If you don't have dry fish, you use crayfish. I beg my taste this meat. Well, higher now. All the meat done. Cow meat. I'll be using cow meat and towel. Pomo. Dry fish. Then we go to grind our pepper. Crayfish. Our pepper. Our crayfish. Yes, my wonderful people. We dey put our okazi fresh one. Ew. We go turn am.